I don't know if Rich Wilkes was actually 14 years old when he wrote this film, but XXX really hits that teenage boy target audience. Hello everybody, welcome to Jam Punch, the channel that prepares you for all the latest movies and video games. Vin Diesel is back as Xander Cage this month, so today it's the original XXX, which is a video title that may get my channel a bit of accidental traffic. You know what I'm saying? If you want to suggest a movie or game to summarise, then subscribe and comment your suggestion below. Thanks to our new subscribers, Melvin Ismanto, Christian Apuyan, Jim Babs 100, Andres Romero and Marcel Decker. There's a Russian mercenary group called Anarchy 99, and an NSA mission to investigate them goes awry, but they still discover that Anarchy 99 has a biochemical weapon called Silent Night. NSA agent Augustus Gibbons, who really lost the name raffle, offers the mission to Xander Cage, an extreme sports professional and video game hero come to life. Cage only agrees if they wipe his criminal record. Cage goes to Prague to work with Czech agent Milan Sova, but purposefully blows Sova's cover in order to gain the confidence of Anarchy 99's leader, Yorgi. Cage, Yorgi, and Yorgi's brother Kolya become bros by talking about cars and shit. Then Sova shows up and attacks Yorgi, so Cage has no choice but to shoot Sova with a blood splatter bullet. Yorgi then fully accepts Cage into Anarchy 99. At Yorgi's HQ, he meets Yelena, and then finds her trying to break into Yorgi's safe, so he reveals that he's an American agent. She gets a call from one of Yorgi's snipers saying that they've discovered Cage's true identity. Gibbons tells Cage his mission is over because his cover is blown, but Cage refuses and attacks Yorgi's HQ to save Yelena. There, he overhears Yorgi's plan to release Silent Night into every major city with a waterborne drone. Yorgi tests Silent Night on his scientists because he's a right bastard. Cage kills Kolya. Yelena reveals she is an FSB agent who has been working on Yorgi for 2 years, but was abandoned by her contacts. Cage goes after the poison drone, but is captured. Yorgi reveals that he has captured Yelena and known about her true identity all along. Cage and Yelena escape, killing Kirill and Yorgi. But the drone has already been launched towards Prague. Gibbons sends the Czech military after it, disregarding the damage that an attack would do to the Prague population. Cage goes after the drone, and is able to flip the warheads to sink underwater. Cage is rescued from the water and Gibbons promises Yelena American citizenship. A while later, Cage and Yelena are relaxing in Bora Bora when Gibbons offers them another mission. Or offers Ice Cube a mission, I mean, whatever, they look exactly the same. So. Thanks for watching that, ladies and gents. What movie or video game should I summarise next? You know the way to do it, subscribe and comment your suggestion below, and I promise I'll get back to you. Jam Punch releases a new video every week, so I'll see you next time.